Hi guys, in front of me is iPhone and let me show you how to turn on private browser. So if you wish to use incognito mode, use the browser that you are using, smoothly open it. It can be Google Chrome, Safari or whichever browser you are using. Then tap on more icon and select new incognito tab. Now let's just start browsing here. So for example, let me open actually whichever site we want to visit, but all I want to show you is that here you've got the sign of this incognito mode, and the history or any data will not be stored. Then to close it, click here to see all tabs and smoothly click on cross icon to finish the browsing. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up.